Hi everyone, my name is Matthew Jarrett M. Estrella. I'm from grade 6 Apostolic. Today we're going to make mango graham float. Before anything else, we need ingredients like 1 pack of graham crackers, 1 pack of crushed grahams, all-purpose cream, condensed milk, and the main ingredient, mangoes. We also need a spatula, a measuring cup, and containers. So let's get started. First, we're going to mix the all-purpose cream with the condensed milk. Using the spatula, slowly stir the mixed condensed milk and the all-purpose cream. Next step is to place the graham cracker inside the pan. Next is to place the mixed condensed milk and the all-purpose cream on top of the graham crackers. Next is the crushed graham. Using the spatula, we need to flatten. Make as many layers as you want. Lastly, the main ingredient, the mango.